First there was the big city, then the tropical island, and now the winter forests and mountains of Karuizawa become the home for Terrace House, opening new doors. We've been burning our way through each version of Terrace House on Netflix, and this one was a monster with 6 parts made up of 49 episodes. I think this might be the most enjoyable season for me so far. I think a big part of this is due to the incredible house in the absolutely gorgeous mountains and forests of Nagano Prefecture. As a result, it was a refreshing change to see the housemates snowboarding, throwing a baseball around the backyard, and generally being much more involved in outdoor activities than housemates in previous seasons. The fact that it had one of my favourite housemates and also one of the best couple get-together moments of all 3 seasons really made this a good time. It did kind of drop off a bit toward the second half, but it picks up again with a series of controversies towards the very end, and all up we really enjoyed it. As I've said in reviews of previous seasons, the show was a really interesting human observation experiment. Watching these people go about their normal everyday lives is somehow oddly engaging. That and the combination of the panel makes this something that we can watch for hours and hours on end. Opening New Doors is a refreshing addition to the Terrace House catalogue, and I'm looking forward to seeing what's next.
その舞台は木々に囲まれた森の中。
これ貴重としたすごいやん。
新シーズンは軽井沢からスタート。シリーズ史上最大の大邸宅。
だいぶでかいですね、それは。いいよね。
その新しいドアを開くのは